kyogokora obotati gya Politrack nigo rero kiabwatukire oroboti rw'ABAOBISA ABANENE ASECHIWIZARA AOAO ase omwaka oyo gabwechire 2025. Oroboti orwo nigo bono rokomorekera obokoreri bw'ABAOBISA abo obwatekana n'ebirengererio bya abananchi abo bakomorekera obokoreri bw'abamanyi abo iga bakogendia emeroberio ya serikali kibobisi abakenya chiribu 3,255 noyomo kurwa ase chinsemo AOAO nigo baboretigwe amaborio na kobeka oroboti urokoba egati echiroboti chingikiranu hase okomorekera obokoreri bw'Abarai ase emeroberio yabo morikito Julia Obuba agotumanya senchere wikiranu
Ekiombe kyogokora obotuki gya Politrack nigo rero kiabwatukire oroboti rw'ABAOBISA ABANENE ASECHIWIZARA AOAO ase omwaka bw'echiribu 2025.
Releasing its latest study, particularly looking on matters of the engine of the government in implementation that is within the office of the principal secretaries. Now, we were able to conduct a study that was able to assess the performance of these public officers and also the impact of their activities to the common mwananchi. Now, it is a study that is key, particularly noting that they do hold an integral part of the governance within.
Oroboti orwo nigo rokomorekera obokoreri bw'ABAOBISA abo kubatikana n'ebirengerero by'abananchi abo bakomorekera obokoreri bw'abamanyi abo bakogenda emerobero ya serikali kebobisi. Abakenya chiribu 253 noyomo kura chinsemo AOAO nigo baboretigwa amaborio na kobeka oroboti orwo kobegatie chiriboti chingikiranu ase okomorekera obokoreri bw'Abarai ase emirimo yabo.
We were able to sample 3,287 respondents in this particular study, but not only that, we were able also to apply a pillar form of breaking down the various necessities. And that's going straight to the piece that is before us. I'm going to look at the various pillars that we're able to address. Among them is the pillar of the core mandate, delivery, and operational excellence.
Julia Obuba, Nsoko TV.